Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the cinematic sky glow effect in Capcut. So you can start by adding the videos like this into Capcut, and after that what you need to do is just use an effect. So go to effects, video effects. Now just click on this nightclub category and then scroll down until you find the flash vibration effect. Sorry, I mean this colorless flash effect. Click on the effects and here click on adjust. So I'm going to lower speed into 0 like this, and here you can adjust the glow to your liking, and also atmosphere, the rain, the color. So I'm going to go with color here, adjust the range, and the atmosphere. So atmosphere, I'm going to go with 100 because if it's lower, then the color will change from the natural video. So I'm going to go with yellow color, for example, and the range, I'm going to go with around 30. So you can adjust it how you like it. You can adjust the glow like so. If you're done, just click check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effect to match with the videos. So this will be the result, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.